Hello dear children. In this video we are going to do integrated grammar and in integrated grammar gap filling. Gap filling plays very important role in your grammar question. So we will solve that gap filling exercise today. Your first question is complete the following passage by choosing the most appropriate option from the ones given below. Rivers are considered holy and your options are in, on, at, off, and the correct answer is A option, in India. In is the correct option. In India, but they are hardly treated. And the other options in B are in, with, at, off. The correct option is with. With respect. All kinds of dust and filth find under E, under the C. Third one, options are there, his, its, over. And the correct option is there, THEIR. Their way into the rivers. If we have to treat and purify the water, and options for 4 gap is off, in, on, for. And the correct option is D, for. Treat and purify the water for drinking it. How can the fish survive in? And the option for fifth one are these, this, that, there. And the correct option is these, survive in these waters. Every year, River Gomti becomes option 6. Right option is the deathbed of thousands of fish because a 7th option B is the correct one. The water released in the reservoir upstream carries effluents, and the right option for next is from the neighboring. Now we will do the next exercise is also one more gap filling exercise. Here the students and options are, was, were, been talking as Miss Sarkar. So the correct answer is the students were talking as Miss Sarkar. Another gap is there. The correct option is entering the classroom. Then in a loud voice, and in third you can see some options are given to you. The right option is she. In a loud voice she said good morning, and fourth right option is glanced, and glanced quickly around the room. All the children, fifth correct option, all the children watched her intensely to find out what sort of a person she. 6 and correct option is B. Person was. I suppose you want to know my name, she said. But, and in 8th correct option is but before she could tell them, someone in the class yelled out, "You are Miss Sarkar." I am repeating that, dear students, in this exercise of gap filling, some options are given to you. For every blank, there are 4 options. I have told you the answers of all the options. Likewise, you have to do the other questions, whatever are coming in your exams, accordingly. Gap filling, editing, and rearrange. These 3 are supposed to be the most important questions as far as your integrated grammar is concerned. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.